Hey guys, this is Sudhindra Shanbhag. I'm from Navalim, and I realized that music became my passion at the age of 10 when I sang a song in school, and which I was being appreciated and which motivated me to get into music. I have also completed Pravishika Purn in Tabla in Kala Academy. Even my parents are very supportive and they helped me a lot. One friend of mine recommended me to go to Goencho Avaz, like participate in Goencho Avaz. And I was like, okay, let's try for this. I came without like any expectations, but then I realized that I made it to the finals, and I'm very happy and I would say very obliged to be here. Today I'm going to sing the song Fotkiro by Alfred Rose. So this is one of the risks I've taken because I mostly sing Devanagari style. So I've tried singing Konkani, Roman Konkani. Hope you guys like it.
Fotkiro, karnas lolo poizalo Fotkiro, va tergara shirin mago. शिकलेल्या चेडवाचो जीव पोया सुखांतलो दुखांत घालो कुवेच्या गांवांतूय जायतीं गोंयचीं चेडवां आसात शिकलेलीं